Hi family, this is your Ghetto News Reporter Mary Dash between the Mary and Lee. I'm on 7758 and Saginaw, my city, Chicago. Somebody has broken into my place of residence in my city, Chicago. I used to stay here with Donna Marie Evans and Catherine Evans and Mario Darrell Evans. As you can see, the place has been trashed. The name on the building is Harris. And you know Pamela's name is Harris. The lady running for vice president. Now, nothing happens in this world by mistake. I came this way about 5 years ago or so, and somebody was working on it. As you can see, there's a lot of, material. And I caught the white guy, and they haven't worked on it since. You understand what I'm saying? Because, when the real motherfuckers show up, all shit stop. So, yeah, I used to stay here. They got a 1927 license plate. My mama was born in 1927. You understand what I'm saying? Real talk. See? Yep. So, don't shit on me and say it's raining. See, they trying to get this real estate. You understand what I'm saying? Yep, trying to get this real estate. Yeah, they have stopped. So you see, for real. Yep. This used to be the bedroom me and Donna stayed at. And memories, nigga. Memories. Yep. I had a 1981 Cutlass Supreme for real. Yep. Back in the day. Yeah, this is memories, nigga. Motherfucking memories. Yeah. This way I caught her and my so-called best friend, Dwayne Lewis. Having an entanglement, and I guess she thought I was gonna get mad. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't even let them know that I seen them. Yep. This the bedroom they was at. Oh, I caught them either here or here. But I know I used to stay right here. Yep, and this was the living room. Yeah, she's Donna Marie Evans is a real estate agent. Yeah, so they working on trying to evict me and take my SSI and all kind of shit. And she was a banker, and that's why they got this piece of bread right here. It's all symbolism. It's all symbolism. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, this prime property, this historical. For real. So yeah, the early bird always catches the worm. Today is October the 8th, Thirsty Thursday. And she was a bartender, and she drank and drugged and all kind of shit. You understand what I'm saying? I'm talking about my ex-girlfriend, the Italian stallion, Donna Marie Evans, who's probably related to Kamala Harris. Nothing happens in this world by mistake. Real fucking talk. Nothing. Yep. And Mario Darrell Evans. See? Got nosy people. See the Harris right there? Don't shit on me and say it's raining. So, yeah, it's all about real estate. All right, family. This is a Ghetto News Reporter Mary and Dash between the Mary and the Lee. Step your game up. Peace.